Alright, good day to everybody. I just wanted to walk you through my keto coffee that I've been making for the past few days. It's great. It's great. First I'll start with some Gevalia, a house blend, medium roast. Do 2 cups of that. And my French press over here. That's going to go on my French press. And I got some Luann coconut oil. May not be the best of the best, but it's still good. It's not directly coconut oil, but it still has 70%, 75% of the MCTs, medium chain triglycerides, healthy fats we're going for. And here I've got coconut milk, which I'm going to be using. Only a couple tablespoons of that. 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. And I've got Kerry Gold pure Irish butter, unsalted. Make sure it's unsalted. Don't need that salted stuff in your life. Only a tablespoon of that goes into there. And just a couple drops of some local hive authentic clover honey, raw and unfiltered. Blend it all together into my blender here. Take my coffee cup, pour it in there. When I come back, you'll see how it's done.
Alright, so while I got my coffee steeping in my French press, I'm going to go ahead and get the rest of my ingredients ready. What I have to do is I'll start with coconut milk first. Just take a little tablespoon. Fancy. Again, I'm dropping 3 tablespoons of coconut milk. Spilling it everywhere. Okay. 3 tablespoons, plus a couple drops of milk. Alright. Then we go for coconut oil. Again, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Cut that right off. Spoon. Good. So for next is tablespoon. Pork chop. 1 tablespoon of this Irish butter. About 1 tablespoon right there. Seems like a lot, but it really isn't. Make my keto coffee. Alright, press this coffee down. Got all my ingredients in here. Now I'm going to go ahead and pour this in here.
Gotta put it in a blender. Trying to stir this with a fork is impossible. I simply put it on stir mode. About 30 seconds. Let it sit for a second. Let it stir again. Now why I do that is so in case it has anything left over that I need to break up. Now we're going to go ahead and pour this bad boy right into your cup. And there you go. There you have it. Fresh cup of that yummy, yummy keto coffee, y'all. Take a drink of it to see how it is. This is the way you get your day started off right. MCT oils gives you a lot of energy, healthy fats, helps with the brain, optimal brain function. Then the grass-fed butter gives you a little protein, gives you a little more oomph, balances out the MCT in the coffee. Coffee, of course, gives you a little bit of drive. It all balances itself out just perfectly. The coconut milk and the honey just give it a little dash of cream, a little dash of sweetness. You can't really taste it at all. Keto coffee. Go check it out, y'all.